Hey gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a couple hairstyles that you can do to protect your natural hair in the warm weather. So today I am starting with the coconut butter cream from Aunt Jackie's, which is a super rich, creamy, moisture intensive recipe that keeps hair of all textures, all types of easy to manage and style. And the benefits of the coconut are known to worldwide. Okay, it's a penetrating remedy, and it gets inside the hair shaft to deposit long lasting nutrients that can help improve your hair's health. So overall, it's just gonna revert to coconut chronic dryness, breakage, and damage. Now I'm going to be using the coconut curling jelly, and the coconut curling jelly is perfect for a styling remedy. It helps to achieve bouncy, soft, smooth, hydrated, radiant looking curls, coils, and waves, and is great for all textures of hair, wash and go styles, and any curly style in need of a long lasting moisture. Like, who doesn't want that? Okay. And after I put it in my hair later on that day, like, my curls were so defined, but when used properly and along with other Aunt Jackie's, it can just help minimize shrinkage and won't wear your hair down or cause flaking or caking, which we don't like. So now I'm just like combing through and trying the different hairstyles, and yeah, like it's so stylish. I really do love it. And once again, these are just styles that I prefer for the summertime. I like to keep my hair out my face when it's warm, prevents the acne and all that stuff. So I am just going to keep it short and sweet for a nice hot summer day type of thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.